The Philippine Gold Treasures of Forgotten Kingdoms. An extensive gold artifacts, the Philippines is a home to a vast array of ancient gold artifacts ranging from the jewelry ornaments and religious objects to tools and weapons. These treasures provide invaluable insights into the sophisticated metalworking techniques in the wealth and power of long-lost Philippine kingdoms. Diverse cultural influences. The gold treasures reflect the diverse cultural influences that shaped the Philippines over centuries. They showcase the interconnectedness of ancient Philippine civilization with other Southeast Asian and East Asian societies through trade, cultural exchange, and political alliances. The technological advancement. The craftsmanship and techniques used to create the gold artifacts demonstrate the high level of technological sophistication achieved by ancient Philippine civilization. This includes advanced smelting, casting, and goldsmithing methods. The religious and ceremonial significance. Many of the gold objects were used in religious and ceremonial contexts, underscoring the important role of these precious metals in the spiritual and cultural practices of the past Philippine kingdom. The socio-political hierarchy. The distribution of concentration of gold artifacts provide the insights into the socio-political hierarchies and the power structures of the forgotten Philippine kingdom. The highly ornate and intricate pieces were likely reserved for the elite and ruling classes. The preservation challenges that the preservation of protection of these invaluable cultural treasures have been an ongoing challenge due to factors such as looting, illegal trade, and tropical climate of the Philippines. The effort to safeguard and study these artifacts are crucial for understanding the country of rich heritage. The ongoing discoveries, the exploration of excavation and archaeological sites in the Philippines continue to uncover a new exciting gold treasures, expanding our knowledge of our country's pre-colonial past and forgotten kingdoms that once thrived in the archipelago. The Philippines and our gold treasures offer a window in a sophisticated and vibrant civilization that flourished in the island of long before the arrival of colonial powers, highlighting the country's rich cultural heritage and the need for its preservation and study.